The emails are one-to-one with very specific messaging for a specific audience. In the banners, we can put in links to social media accounts, to YouTube. We can also link to websites and podcasts. So we segment our market and we are very specific with the type of messaging we send out. And from that, we are able to gather intelligence and data that we need to further analyze trends in the marketplace, as well as employee engagement when we use the platform internally. For us at ATNS, employee engagement is very important. So we're looking at something that is just not an ordinary email. We want to make sure that our employees get the right message at the right time. And we want to ensure that the information that they get is relevant to them. So using the Rocket mailer, we're able to segment the market, we're able to decide which part of our business gets what type of communication, and we're able to monitor the engagement levels once we've sent out the communication.
One thing that we need to acknowledge about Rocketseed, that is a great platform to really instigate the process of educating the staff about the ATNS brand. As we're expanding our footprint within the continent, it's important that the brand ambassadors, who are the staff of ATNS, really get to understand the ethos of the brand, and so that they can become brand ambassadors of ATNS. So through Rocketseed campaigns, we're there to really make sure that the staff really understand how to use the brand, whether in terms of visual application or the typefaces that they need to use. And that's really the main purpose of the Rocketseed interface in terms of brand application. But in other ways that we use the Rocketseed platform is to educate the staff and notify them about other campaigns that we're also doing externally, whether they could be conferences or exhibitions or other awards that ATNS have actually received. So the purpose of Rocketseed, it is to really enhance the value that we possess within ATNS, which is really to effectively communicate our values, our products and activities within the organization.
The Legacy program is a new pilot project that we are launching with our human resources team. The information that we want to harvest from our employees that are going to be retiring soon will be fed into the Rocketseed platform, and it will allow us to create communities of practice. And we will be able to impart the tacit knowledge using the platforms and using other platforms like SharePoint in order to store the information so that we can use it going forward throughout the organization.
The great thing about the Rocketseed interface is that people could actually interact with it. So in other words, they could actually click on the Rocketseed banners and then they could actually find out more information. And then if they have anything to really communicate within the organization, they could use the same platform. The great thing about Rocketseed is that they have a survey application. In other words, if they need to find out different ways of communicating better, or if we need to enhance our products, we could use such platforms to understand and engage the staff to really levitate the ATNS brand.